Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk about a no credit check credit builder account that will give you up to a $25,000 line of credit to help you build your credit. You're going to be able to build your credit with your bills, and they report to all three major credit reporting agencies. You can potentially boost your credit score up to 100 points within the next 3 to 6 months. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you want to learn how to fix your own credit using training and resources that we have here in the 750 Academy, you can get started for just $7 a month. We're going to teach you how to remove negative items such as collections, late payments, repossessions, and more off of your credit reports, as well as give you information on how to build your credit score so that you can obtain up to that 750 credit score to be able to get approved for better rates on homes, cars, and other loans, as well as some bonuses that we have here. 22 ways to increase your credit score, 10 no credit check credit builder accounts, 13 ways to pay off debt, and more. Link will be in the description. So this is how this works. The company is StellarFi. So they have been on the rise for the last few months. They help you with paying your bills on time, as well as reporting that payment history to the major credit reporting agencies. You're able to pay bills like your T-Mobile bill, pretty much all major cable bills, cell phone bills, even utility bills, and more. They also give you score updates every single month to show you how you're improving your credit. And then also you're able to get a debit card, a digital debit card that is going to be linked to your personal checking account so that you can pay for these bills all with one card, and you can keep track of all of your bills in one place. And so StellarFi is going to pay your bills, and then they're going to withdraw the money from your checking account that you link to their website or to their app and pay your bills so that your bills are paid on time. And this also will help with credit age as well as credit usage, and of course help you build on-time payments. There is no credit check, no interest or deposits. You can start using this right away. There will be a link for this down in the description box below. So here's a little bit more information. So the light plan gives you a $500 limit that is reported, and then the prime plan gives you up to $25,000 that is reported, and that is also going to be your spending limit. And so this limit depends on the total dollar amount that you pay each month towards your bills using StellarFi Bill Pay Card. As you link more bills and larger bills, your reported limit increases. So the actual limit that is reported is going to be based off of the bills that you're paying with your StellarFi card. So that will be your limit, and that could be up to $25,000. But what's reported is going to be based off of, again, how much you actually spend on bills per month. So if you spend $1,000 on bills per month in your StellarFi card or with your StellarFi card, that is what's going to be reported to the credit bureaus. So that's how it works in a nutshell. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos about all things business and personal finance. Comment down below if this is a card that you're going to use to build your personal credit scores. Again, the link will be pinned in the comments and in the description box below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.